Hello everyone. So here I have some Nongshim pot or pan noodles, chicken flavor. I just picked these up at the local supermarket. Of course, these are not exactly a healthy choice, with an ingredients list that's literally too long to comprehend, and 1160 milligrams of salt, 480 calories. As it suggests, these can be made in a pan or a pot, shown by the picture here. I'm just going to make them the standard way. Put them in boiling water, let them sit for about 3 or 4 minutes, and just give them a taste test. Of course, with these type of noodles, you can add anything you want. You can add meat, vegetables, anything to make the soup better. But I'm just going to try them by themselves and see how they go. So first thing, I always like to add a little boiling water to the bowl first, just to heat it up. Now, you don't want a cold bowl. Just warm it up a little bit. The water somewhere else. And also, I'm a fan of breaking the noodles up. Often it's difficult to fit them in a bowl, so just kind of crush them a little bit. Put them up. Alright, so what do we have here? A couple of different packets. So we have the soup base. Usually I use about half or 3/4 of the soup base in these type of soups. Otherwise, there's just way too much salt if you use all of it. Sea salt, salt, and something else, some sort of flavoring. Looks like chicken, maybe tomatoes. All right, I guess let's start adding the ingredients. So I'll probably put in around half the salt as well. Maybe a little more than half. And roughly half the soup base. Especially with spicy soups, I tend to start out with about 1/3 of the spicy sauce, but this isn't supposed to be spicy salt. We'll use a little more. I guess I used about 3/4. All right, now let's add the boiling water. Give them a little flip. And at this point, what I like to do is just cover the bowl with something. Often just another bowl, because that's usually what's lying around. So just let's cover it for 4 minutes and see what we get. All right, so about 15 seconds remaining. And they should be ready. Let's take a look. They smell pretty good. Let's give it a taste of the broth. They are a little spicy. Not much, but a little spicy. It tastes pretty good, actually. Has a perfect level of spiciness. Feels like the type of spice where even if you put the whole packet into it, it wouldn't really make too much of a difference. It just you can feel a little bit, but it's definitely not strong. Give it another sip. Hey, maybe by the time I'm done with this whole thing, the spiciness will get to me a little bit. But it's still not very strong, because a lot of these soups, even if you use a little more than a half like packet, it's essentially I can't even eat it at all. Try some of the noodles. They could probably sit in the hot water for another minute or two. They're a little hard, but still good. So compared to just standard top chicken flavor ramen, I'd say these are good. They really don't taste all that different except for the spiciness. But there is just a little more chicken flavor. I guess the only thing I'd say about these noodles I don't like too much is the fact the ingredients list is literally like 50 items, which is insane. No one should be eating anything that has that many ingredients. So I guess I was kind of planning to just try a little bit of this, but the soup tastes pretty good, and I think I'm going to eat the whole thing. I really shouldn't be doing that. It really has a very good blend of spiciness. Very pleasant. Someone who really likes spicy food may not even notice the spice at all, but for someone who's kind of in the middle ground, I think it's perfect. It gives you that slight kick, makes the soup taste better, but it's not going to ruin your eating experience or burn your mouth or anything like that. So for my first attempt, I've never tried this ramen before. Honestly, it tastes pretty good. You can add additional things, meats, egg, vegetables, anything you want to this soup broth, and it will make it even better. But if you're just quickly on the go and you want to make a packet, use some boiling hot water. Definitely couldn't go wrong. The water really tastes great. Right now, time to eat this whole thing.